The Advance Guardrail is the response to tougher safety demands. The Advance Guardrail from Layher. More possibilities and more safety. This temporary advancing safeguard system can be used flexibly with both Allround Scaffolding and SpeedyScaf. The system consists of two components: the Advance Guardrail post and the telescoping Advance Guardrail. Made of aluminium, sturdy yet light, the Advance Guardrail post weighs just 6 kilograms. And its special feature, the entire existing scaffolding can remain in use without any restrictions. As soon as the scaffolding is up, the Advance Guardrail is ready to go to the next site. Here's how it works. The telescoping guardrails are connected to the Advance Guardrail post using tilting pins. The post is always fitted on the outside to the Speedy frame or to the all-round standard. The Advance Guardrail post has a suspension lug and a suspension hook. With all-round scaffolding, the lug is suspended from the rosette. With SpeedyScaf, the hook is fitted onto the guardrail. Pulling the post in triggers a locking mechanism and the post snaps into place. Safeguarding against lift-out is also assured. Now the second post is connected to the telescoping guardrails and moved upwards in the same way. And the same applies for all the bays of the level. This secures the next level so that it can be accessed without any problems. Now the side protection is fitted and remains in the scaffolding. The Advance Guardrail post is released using the blue twist grips, and from the secured position it can now be repositioned from the lower level to the next level up. The procedure is always the same. Position it, pull it, done. And the Advance end guardrail goes up with it too. The Advance Guardrail from Layher. Sturdy yet light. Easy to handle, easy to transport, and quick to assemble. The Advance Guardrail from Layher. The flexible response to very tough safety regulations. Layher, more possibilities and more safety.